Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I haven't uploaded any videos in a while because I've been doing other things. But today I'm gonna show you something different. I'm gonna show you the Galaxy S21. I think it haven't come out yet in the United States. But let me describe this with one word. The phone is really good. I've been using the phone for around 2 to 3 weeks, and let me tell you, I'm a bit impressed. The only thing I have to say is about the pictures. When you take the pictures, the blue, it come out too blue, and the green come out too green. It means like the pictures, the colors come too enhanced. So yeah, they don't look too natural. They look Photoshop, basically. Based on the benchmark that I did, the phone is twice faster than my Mate 20 Pro. But my Mate 20 Pro is 2 years old, so once I compare it to my iPhone 12, then it shows like the big difference. The S21 is delivering a Geekbench. You're gonna see it right now when it finish. It's around 1100 with a single core and around 3300 with a multi-core. That's solid, guys. It's not slow at all. But when you compare it to the brand new iPhone 12, yeah, it's slower. The new chip that the iPhone have is deliver a benchmark with a single core of 1600 and with a multi-core around 3800. I mean, I'm not gonna bore you guys with all these crazy specs, all this. You probably can go and look it up online about this phone. The only thing I'm gonna say is running Android 11. If you can see it right there on the screen, it's running Android 11. It has a big battery. The battery is really good. It can easily hold for a whole day, easily, hands down. I've been using the phone. I'm a very heavy user of the video calls, and the battery usually lasts me the whole day. Well, that's it, guys. I'm gonna leave you guys with the Geek benchmark, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. For more videos like this, subscribe. Sorry about the audio, I'm in the road, so see you next time. Peace.